Why is there so many birds? There's literally over here. Look, they're literally in the trees. Also in that pole right there. Literally in the trees. I'm not joking. Some of them are flying there. They're literally a lot. I'm not joking. They literally just keep going. Look, it literally, that line keeps going. Look, they're literally on top. They're literally in the top. Do you see that? Like, they're literally almost everywhere. So long. Literally more and more over there. They literally just keep flying. Look at that. It literally keeps flying. Like, some are in the trees right there. I'm not sure if you could see them. There's so many. So many. They literally just keep going. Some of them are in the air over here, look. Wait. Oh man. And look, some are flying over there. It literally just keeps going. Like, I'm literally in the road right now, and it literally just keeps going. It literally still goes. It literally still goes. Look how there's. Oh man, there's no more. Oh, there's one right here. I think this is all.